need to give it up, just need to let it go. And if it's so obvious, just let it show. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do. From day to night, you're on my mind. I don't need nowhere else to be. The fire lights.
changing shapes, light as air carrying waves.
Never too hard. Follow your heart. We can both leave it all behind. Washed away with the morning light. Oh, 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 oh. Stop looking through the telescope. Find out what really matters most. A steamboat sailed ashore. It was calling me aboard. And as I climbed inside, I saw you sitting there. In a daydream, you were lost, but you saw me through the fog.
Hi guys. Okay, so I haven't spoken to you guys throughout this video, so I got some few packages today and I just wanted to unbox with you guys. I just wanted to add unboxing-ish to this video. It's just 2 packages I got today. This one is from Amazon and it's a yoga mat. You guys, I want to be very flexible. This 2020 that is almost over, and sometimes I work out at home and I don't have a yoga mat. The stuff I used to put on the floor is like a non-slip mat, and it's not really good. I'm saying I'll buy one, but I've just been procrastinating on skipping it. I'm like, I don't need it, but now I think I really do need it, because when I put my knees on that rug, on that mat, it's kind of rough, so it's kind of giving me dark knees and I don't want that at all. So that's why I got this mat. This is from Aldo. I got a bag for my sister. She wanted a black bag from Aldo for the longest time, so when I was looking for one for her, I decided to also get one for myself, and they were actually on sale, so I'm like, bruh, let me just get it. This is the one I got for her. I really like this bag. It's very chic. It's small, but it's like it can go with everything. It's a cute, small, nice bag, just like the size of my whole arm. This one is a bit more anti madam kind of bag. I love this detailing here. It's like, those are the few things I got. So that is that. I also wanted to update you guys on the job interview I had. Yeah, it was my 7 a.m. morning routine, going to work and everything. I got the job. Yay! I got the job and I've already started working there, and it's been amazing. Like, you guys, God has been good. Honestly, I'm just really happy, and I'm so grateful to God, and I'm so grateful to you guys too, because you guys engage with me. Doing a 9 to 5 and also doing something on the side is not easy, but I've gotten to realize that YouTube just like liberates me some kind of way, and editing my videos is just like my safe haven basically. When I edit my videos, I feel sane. Like, I just feel so creative. I can be creative, I can do whatever I want to do, just be myself on this platform. I can be free. To have the support is really encouraging, trust me. I just really want to say thank you, and I appreciate you guys for everything. We're growing little by little.